Hello everyone, happy Monday, another new week, and it's poetry reading day, and this is a poem from my latest collection, A Fragile Map and Other Poems. It's about, I'd had a particularly horrible day at work for various reasons, and it was summer, I think, so the evenings were quite long, and I'd come back and I just wanted to get out in the garden and just sit and just try and calm down a bit. And this is the poem I wrote about that. It's called Breath. The garden is bathed in silence. All noise ceased on this one special day. I sit in half sun, half shadow, and hear only the soft rhythm of my breath. Above me, distant birds dance patterns across the clouds. Hope you enjoyed that poem from my latest collection and have a good week. Take care. Bye.